Creating a stunning brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a brochure in Canva. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So to get started, you have just to click over here and you sign up with Canva and you will find this page. So Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures, with its intuitive drag and drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts. Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So you have firstly to search here for brochures, and once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So we have here 5,355 templates, so you can choose the one you want, or you can also select the niche that you want. For example, here we have all categories, so select if it is business, and if on the business we have here documents, presentations, whiteboard, business card, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs. Then we have here social media, as you can see. Here we have education also, video, marketing. In marketing we have here brochures, so you click over brochures and we have here one, as you can see. So this is the thing that we select. Then here we have also print product, marketing material, and we have here also cards and invitations, as you can see. And here we have cards and invites, stickers and packaging. Then we have here clothing and accessories. So then also we have here, you select the format that you want, the style that you want, the language, the theme, the feature, the grade, the subject, the topic, and we have here the price also. So I'll select the free one, so we have here two, as you can see. Then we have here the color. For example, I will select the blue one, and you have here three. Then you click over apply and you will find this. So let's wait for it, and we'll find the template that we choose. It's for free, and we have here brochures and also with the same color, which is blue. So you have 16 templates. So we select the one you want. For example, I will select this one, and here we have it. So we have just to click over this and you click over customize this template and you will find this page, as you can see. So right now you have just to modify all these things. We have all things that you need to modify this. For example, here we have design. So if you don't like this one, you can just change it with others. And also we have here option of elements. So in this elements, for example, if you want logos here for number, phone, email address, and for example location, so you have just to search for it. Then here we have the option of text. You can add a text box, match required, and other things. So I will show you how. Also you can modify the color of the text, and I will show you step by step how you can do that. Then we have here, for example, the brand, such as logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons. And here we have uploads. For example, if you want to upload files, and you click over it like that, and you upload with your computer. Then if you want to record yourself also, so like that, and you click over record and you record yourself. So let's wait for it, 2, 1, and you get started recording like that. And once you're done, you click over here and you click over save and exit, and you will just paste it here, as you can see. So let's click over exit the studio, as you can see. Also you can upload video or linked audio also, and here we have the last option, which is drawing. So as you can see, then if you want to come back, you click over here. So for example, I will just come back here and I will select, for example, this one, and I'd like to delete it because it's not good. And here we have it, choose the background that you want. For example, choose this one if you want, or this one. So choose the one you want. Then here we have also the text. I will edit all this text and I will do mine. As you can see, so about the first one, I will add firstly the text. I will go here and I will just search first of all add a heading. I'll put it in the size that I want. Then I have also here the color that I want. For example, I will select the black, and also if it's italic or bold, so I'll select italic. So you can also edit this one, but it's not clear. It's very comfortable to use it like that. For example, I will add here something, taste for example, and then I will just select it. I will put it here like that in the first. Then I will just add a subheading like that, and I will choose also the size. For example, I will choose 21, and I will put it here like that. Then if I want to add a logo, I will just go to the elements, and I will add the logo that I want. For example, this one, and I will put it here, and I will add a text here, and then I will get started also this one. So this is it. This is how you can add logos and other things. So for example, I don't like this. I will just click over here and I will come back. Also, you can use other option, which is Control Z. So when we come back, we will find how it looks firstly. Also here we have if you want to zoom in. Here we have also terminal view, grid view also. Then we have here present full screen. This is how it looks like that. So Canva makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful brochures quickly and efficiently. With its simple tools and wide range of templates, you can bring your ideas to life and effectively connect with your audience. Start designing your brochure today and see the difference it can make. So here we have it. Right now I will just click over share and I will select here the second one, which is anyone can access the design using this link. Then we have here other one, which is only you can access the design using this link. And then I will select here if it can view, can comment, and can edit. So I will select can view. Then I will copy the link and share it with my friends, with my co-workers, and then we get started with that. So this is how it works with Canva. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.